Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock a channel on Discord, right? It's very easy to do it, and by the way, you can only do it if you're admin of that server or if you have that role, right? So if I want to lock a channel on Discord, I can just do it in this way, right? Just go to any of the hashtags or servers. Just on the if you take your mouse to here, edit channels, right? You will get the settings. I can click on this, and here on the left side you will see four options. Just go to the permissions. Once you're here, you will get this option of private channel. So if I turn this on, you will able to see, and once I click on save changes, right, you can see that here my this is logged. If you are not able to see, you can see there is a lock icon over it. So there are only few members who can join this, and only this is how to lock a Discord, right? If I just go and edit channel, go to permission, and once I lock it, you can see that these are the roles. So only the users who have role will able to join it. If you want to add a member, just click on add member or roles. So here you can just add members or roles, everything, and in this way only those people will able to join it. If I just go and click advanced permissions, and here are some of the advanced permissions which you can use it. And this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe and like this video.